Determine if the function f of x equals 3x plus 6x cubed minus x to the fifth has symmetry about the y-axis, also known as even symmetry, or symmetry about the origin, also known as odd symmetry, or neither. F of x equals 3x plus 6x cubed minus x to the fifth is made up of all odd power terms. It is therefore expected to have origin odd symmetry. What we are going to do is calculate f of negative x. If we find f of negative x to exactly equal f of x, it will have y-axis even symmetry. If we find f of negative x to exactly equal the negative of f of x, it will have origin odd symmetry. And if we find neither to hold true, it will have neither symmetry. F of negative x means to plug in negative x in for each of the x's, so 3 times a negative x plus 6 times a negative x cubed minus a negative x to the fifth power. 3 times a negative x will be a negative 3x, plus 6 times a negative cubed will be negative, and then x cubed, minus, and a negative to the fifth power will be negative, and then x to the fifth. So f of negative x will be a negative 3x. A positive 6 times a negative x cubed will be a negative 6x cubed. And a negative times a negative will be a positive x to the fifth. Comparing this to the original, each of the terms are opposite sign. We can therefore factor out a negative, and it will leave behind a positive 3x, a positive 6x cubed, and a minus x to the fifth, which is exactly f of x with a negative in front of it. So this equals negative f of x, which is the exact condition needed to have origin odd symmetry.